Hello everyone, this is Koge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Following my previous video on cylindrical lockset, today I would like to share with you about lever Mortise Lockset. This is a sample of a lever Mortise Lockset. This is the older version. Some of you might have spotted this in some old houses or even your grandparents. Very long lasting and highly durable. This is an upgraded version of a lever Mortise Lockset. I found this in my warehouse, a little bit rusty and oxidized, but it would be just nice for us to dismantle and uninstall it. Allow me to give you a brief introduction of a lever Mortise Lockset. This is the outside, where you can see the lever handle and also the keyhole. While at the inside, you can also see the lever handle, a knob, or we call it a thumb turn. And can you see that there's two screws inside here? A fully functioning door can be divided into right opening and left opening. Since from inside, the complete lever Mortise Lockset is located on the right side of the door, I'm going to call it right opening. Sometimes a cordless drill can be very handy. This is the door strike plate. This is the Mortise Lockset. All done. This is the Mortise Lockset. Can be switch side. I'll show you later why this feature is very important. This is called Euro profile cylinder. And for this profile, it is called thumb turn and key. Also available in different profiles, for example, double key, single-sided key, single-sided thumb turn, and thumb turn with emergency slots. For the length, it is also available from 50 mm up till 125 mm. Our challenge today is to switch the lever Mortise Lockset from the right opening to left opening. This should be the inside. And remember, for inside, the lever handle with both screws will be located here. But this is not correct. The lever handle should be on the right side here. If you can see closely, you are able to see that there is a screw inside. Loosen it up. Turn the handle into the opposite direction. See, we have switched the lever handle into the other direction. Next, repeat the same steps for the other lever handle, which is going to be at outside. Next, we are going to install back the Mortise Lockset. Followed by the lever handle on the outside. Lever handle from the inside. Our Euro profile cylinder. Turn the thumb turn to check. Alright, so far so good. Next, our door strike plate. Screws. Test again the lock set. Tighten up all the screws. Test the key as well. All good to go. When you switch the direction of the opening, you might need to consider switching the side of this. I believe that after watching this video, it's not that difficult to figure out how a lever Mortise lock works. Thank you for watching video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye.